In this blowout, I'm using the second generation Dyson Multistyler. I start by t-shirt drying my wet hair and then gently combing through tangles with a white tooth comb so that I don't break my hair during this process. I want to also protect my hair strands using some keratin hair oil for heat. Although the Dyson is very gentle on the hair, it's still good to use a hair oil. I'm attaching now the smoothing Kawanda dryer, and I want to get a partial dry on my hair. I don't want to go all dry, but just about 50% before switching attachments. At this point, I'm just trying to get underneath my hair, and now I switch to the volumizing round brush, basically trying to get the shorter layers on top and combing them in different directions, blow drying them as I comb them in different directions so that I can get some lift. I will take a piece of hair and I'll go the opposite direction of the way the hair lays on my head, and as you can see, it gives me a nice lifting effect. I'm now working on the sides of my hair, trying to take section by section. I am not a hairdresser, but what I love about the Dyson is that I don't have to be a professional hairdresser to get a professional salon blowout look. So I really, really love this Dyson. It's powerful and sturdy and just very, very easy to use. I'm now switching to the soft smoothing brush because I want to tame down some of the frizz. This Dyson also comes with a hard smoothing brush for frizzier prone hair. Mine is kind of in the middle, but I like that these bristles are very soft and I feel like they don't pull my hair too much. Again, what makes a beautiful blowout with this Dyson is that you've got a blow dryer and a brush in one, and you don't need a third hand. You can just take strands of each part of your hair. I try to get all the way to the back and just smooth it out again. Don't need to be a professional to get a really beautiful blowout look. I love the way my hair feels. I just can't stop running my fingers through my hair. It feels so soft and healthy. And because this Dyson does not use extreme heat, it's definitely something that I can treat myself to at home on a regular basis. So with my hair all done, I'm ready to put on the finishing touches. 1, 2, and 3. I'm ready to go. I've got that boost of confidence because I'm all made up. My name is Kessia. Please hit the like button and subscribe to see more beauty videos from yours truly. Bye.